Enterprise logistics software costs companies hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. But what if there was a free, open-source alternative that could do the same thing? That's exactly what OpenLogi is promising. It just hit the front page of Hacker News. In this video, we're going to break down what OpenLogi is, how it works, and whether it can actually compete with the big players in supply chain management. Whether you're a developer, a startup founder, or just someone interested in how open source is disrupting traditional industries, this one's for you. First, let's talk about why logistics software is such a big deal. Every physical product you buy goes through a supply chain, from raw materials to manufacturing, warehousing, shipping, and delivery. Managing all of this requires sophisticated software, and traditionally, that software has been dominated by companies like SAP, Oracle, and Manhattan Associates. We're talking licenses that start at $50,000 a year and can easily reach into the millions for large enterprises. OpenLogi takes a completely different approach. It's built as a modular, open-source platform that handles inventory management, order fulfillment, warehouse operations, and shipping logistics. The entire code base is available on GitHub, which means anyone can deploy it, customize it, and contribute to it. Think of it as what WordPress did for websites, but for supply chain management. What makes OpenLogi particularly interesting is its AI-powered optimization engine. It uses machine learning algorithms to predict demand, optimize warehouse layouts, and automatically route shipments through the most cost-effective carriers. This is the kind of functionality that would normally cost you a premium subscription with enterprise vendors. Now, let's be real about the limitations. Open-source logistics software isn't new. Projects like Apache OFBIs and Odoo have been around for years, but they often require significant technical expertise to set up and maintain. OpenLogi claims to solve this with a modern tech stack, containerized deployment using Docker and Kubernetes, and a clean REST API that makes integration with existing systems straightforward. The community response has been overwhelmingly positive. Within the first week of launch, the project has already received over 2,000 stars on GitHub and has attracted contributors from companies like Amazon, Shopify, and FedEx. The kind of early traction suggests there's real demand for an open alternative in this space. For developers looking to get started, OpenLogi offers a Docker Compose setup that gets you running in under 5 minutes. The documentation includes step-by-step guides for common use cases like e-commerce fulfillment, multi-warehouse management, and last-mile delivery optimization. There's also a growing ecosystem of plugins for popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. OpenLogi represents a fascinating shift in the logistics industry. Whether it can truly compete with established enterprise solutions remains to be seen, but the open-source approach and strong community support are promising signs. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech analysis. Drop a comment below if you've tried OpenLogi or if you have experience with other logistics platforms. See you in the next one.